100, 50, 40, 30.
Hey guys, what is up? It's Hamza Bayoumi here, and today welcome back to another Hamza Bayoumi video. And today we're going to be showing you the demonstration of the EVA Air Airbus A330-200 in SimplePlanes. Alright, so let's get started. So the first thing we need to do is go to SimplePlanes, so let's go to SimplePlanes. Alright, now the game should be loading in a second. Alright, so we are at the title, it says SimplePlanes. Alright, so let's go ahead and click on the play button. And then let's go to build and fly, since we're on sandbox, and let's go to the play button again. Alright, so here's the EVA Air Airbus A330-200. This is what it looks like in full detail, and it even has the engines. These are GECF6-80E1A3 engines, and this is what they look like in full detail. And it also has the registration Bravo-16310. This is what it looks like in full detail. Alright, so let's go ahead and start the flight. And let's go ahead and click on the play button to do our test flight. Here we go. Alright. So here's the EVA Air Airbus A330-200. This is what it looks like in full detail. Alright, so let's have a few moments before takeoff. So here are the engines once again. These are GECF6-80E1A3 engines. This is what they look like in full detail, and it also has the registration right here, Bravo-16310. Alright, we are ready for takeoff. Let's go to cockpit view. Alright, here we go. Set the throttles to 50%. And taking off. Takeoff press is set. $80 knots. Checked. V1. Rotate. Positive rate of climb, gear coming up. Alright, gear is coming up. Just like that, we are climbing out of Wright Airport. This is what it looks like in full detail. We are climbing at 900 feet. The rest is going to climb. We will cruise at 3,000 feet. 2,500 feet is where the altitude indicator disappears. Alright, we are at 2,000 feet. One more 1,000 feet to go until we reach 3,000 feet. Alright. Can't wait for this. We are at 3,000 feet. Alright, make a right turn. Alright. And then make a left. Let's land back at Wright Airport. Alright. We're descending right now. Gear coming down. Gear coming down. Alright. Gear is coming down. Alright, we are 2,500 feet above ground. Let's hope we can butter this landing like Swiss 001. We are 1,000 feet above ground. Like I said, this is what the engines look like in full detail. 500 feet above ground, 400 feet above ground, 300 feet above ground, 200 feet above ground, 100 feet above ground. Here we go. 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, 5. Come on, flare it, flare it, flare it. Flared it. Alright, use reverse thrust to stop the plane. I love how the reverse thrust looks like in full detail. Alright, we'll just stop the plane right here. Alright, so that is going to be it for the demonstration of the EVA Air Airbus A330-200 in Simple Planes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and as always, peace out, guys.